everybody, and welcome to this special show on New York with Neil, me, John, and our lovely director, Kabir Khan. I'm going to ask the first question. I should ask it too. I'll ask it to you.
Yeah.
All my friends are asking me that in the promo they're seeing one song of 3 people, or me and 2 people, jumping, yelling, screaming, being very happy. You have moments of people just kind of enjoying themselves. Then next thing you know, somebody has a gun, somebody's screaming, somebody's yelling, somebody's punching somebody.
So they want to know.
What do you expect from the film? Yeah.
They want to know who the 2 people are and who the somebody is. Basically that's what they want to know.
No. Yeah. How would you say this is what you're going to expect from this film in 2 lines? Because I'm not able to say it in 2 lines.
Sort of, to be serious on the issue, I'll say 2 lines. I think it's essentially a story of 3 friends. 3 of you. You do realize that.
Us 3.
Yeah. And so that's what the fun element is when the 3 of you meet in college. Why am I telling you this? You know the story. So
that's your camera.
It's a story of 3 friends and how they're getting to discover America and their college life together. Till one day an incident like 9/11 comes and sort of their lives turn upside down. So it's essentially the journey of these 3 friends, a beautiful relationship, beautiful friendship over the span of 9 years from 1999 to 2008. And that's what is the backdrop of New York. That said and done, let's start talking.
John, your turn.
Yeah. I'm wearing a pink t-shirt in the film.
Yeah, there was a lot of, that was a bone of contention with me because I kind of thought that men don't wear pink.
Yeah.
Hello.
Real men don't.
No. Let's not say that because for the next interview I'm going to be wearing pink.
But actually that shot looks really nice in the promo.
Yeah, but I think what we should, let's start with the beginning. Let's start because that's always the most exciting, almost the most exciting conversation is Katrina Kaif's first day on a set.
Yeah.
Aha. Hello.
So Katrina, why don't you tell us? Why don't you tell us the whole story?
Yeah. I think she should narrate
enact
this.
it out though. I have to enact it. Can we stand up?
Yeah, you
Can we stand up?
Yeah,
stand up.
you can.
Neil, don't move too much. This is Katrina. I'm Neil. Now look like I was looking on the first day. Okay, and I'm Neil. My pants are up to here, okay, which I won't do now, and I've got my hair gelled back.
And I'm clean shaven.
Hello. And I have gone. Oh my God. Okay, where am I? What am I doing here?
Well, I can't blame myself. I'm a nice guy. I'm cultured, and it's my duty to
This
go up to a
always
nice,
comes up bad
beautiful
for me.
woman
Yeah, but
and say,
the first day
hello.
was, I must say, was very interesting because there were all these, 3 actors coming from their diverse backgrounds and diverse worlds, and there was Katrina Kaif, the diva, who walked in looking at some cheap low budget film.
ये छोटे लोगों के बीच में मैं कहाँ गई?
Neil was all clean shaven, looking like a 16-year-old, truly with his terracotta pants up to his chest.
He was meant to be fresh off the boat for anybody who doesn't know.
And
NRIs.
Mr. John Abraham was exactly 600 yards away from Katrina Kaif, wherever
On the
Katrina,
phone.
on the phone, just sort of pretending that Katrina, who Katrina? And so,
Actually, there's an actress called
so I try and desperately try to break the ice, and I go and ask Katrina. So Katrina, did you say hi to John? And Katrina says, who? I said John. No. I said, would you like to say hello to John? He says, no, on a set, it's the senior most, the hero should come and say hello to everybody. So I said, okay. So I go to John and say, John would like to say hi to Katrina.
I said, yeah.
And John said, yeah, as soon as I finish this phone call. And then, of course,
6 hours later.
yeah, 6 hours later, we all met.
And I was the goat in the middle who was slaughtered.
You got into a bit of a situation
you
with
don't
Katrina.
remember that? My first scene with
Can
the
I
3
tell
of
that
them.
story? Because you tell it really badly and
Okay,
it's not
she's
fair.
allowed
I'll be
to say
fair.
that.
I'll
Okay,
be fair.
Katrina.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
the scene where I first introduced
Yeah.
myself to him and I say, hi, I've just come.
No, not that scene. That scene we're okay. This
That
scene
No,
the
no.
scene where we
One
were
minute.
down-
That scene was...
Okay, this is something I've never spoken about, and this is what I told Neil, because the first scene of the film where we're three together, Neil introduces himself to me in that scene. Hi, I'm Omar and I've just
Yeah.
come. And Neil kept telling Katrina, Katrina, why don't you do it this way? Why don't you do it this way? And Katrina kept looking at him, So I saw what was
Did I do
happening.
that?
No,
So-
I swear you
They
didn't.
didn't do
I
that.
swear
No,
you
no.
didn't.
There is
I
a
So
swear.
the minute Katrina walked towards the assist, I said, Neil, you go back to Bombay and you had it. Don't you ever instruct her what to do. And you're like, John, I didn't do anything, John. I didn't say anything. I said, Neil, you don't know the repercussions of saying things to her. You know, saying, John, I swear I won't say it again. That's what he said.
That's unfair, Nancy. That's completely
But
fair.
Honestly, that was a conversation
no,
we
that
had.
I remember clearly
hear
because
Katrina's version.
Can I
I
hear-
remember
can I tell my version?
I'm anyways white and I became even whiter.
Okay, let's hear Katrina's version.
So me and Neil were supposed to be doing a scene, which was a very emotional scene for me. And Neil gave me what I thought was a bit of advice, which was not required. Because I thought, I'd done more films. So,
Senior,
yeah.
that's the word that I got to hear like 150 times, that you're a junior, I'm a senior, you can't talk. But okay, fine, since you don't want me to say what the advice was for your good, I won't talk about it.
so then
And the reason why she got affected was a
Okay, he
reason
doesn't.
which
Okay,
John and I
let's
can
forget
talk
the
about.
story. Let's forget the story.
John
Never
and I can
mind.
talk about it. And why I got the yelling, also she has no idea why she yelled at me. We were sitting at a monitor with you, Kabir, you were there, and we saw, what was our friend's name, the foreigner?
Dustin.
Dustin was there, and it's a very emotional scene going on, and Dustin was holding, another woman out there, and instead of crying, he was like, trying to woo her at that point of time, and the camera was on him. So John and I started laughing on that, and there Katrina comes walking from behind, thinking that we're laughing at her for some reason. Obviously, the big men don't get fired at, and the small ones get picked on. So that's exactly what happened. We're going to wrap up this segment right now, and we're going to
Already?
join
We
you
didn't do
again
this?
with more conversation on New York with Kabir, John, Katrina, and myself. See you in a bit.